Have you ever heard someone say, eat more protein or you need more protein, but no one really explains why? This brings us to protein and what it actually does in the body. Protein is responsible for building, repairing, and maintaining tissues, and that includes our muscles, skin, hair, immune cells, and enzymes, hormones as well. It is not just about muscle building. It supports our recovery, wound healing, immune system function, and overall structural integrity. Protein also plays an important role in appetite regulation. It tends to slow digestion and increase our fullness signals, and that can help support steadier energy and more consistent eating patterns throughout the day. Now, unlike carbohydrates and fat, the body does not store large amounts of protein for later use, so that means regular intake matters. Spreading it across meals helps support muscle maintenance and steadier amino acid availability, which amino acids are the building blocks of protein. For most adults, a general range of 0.8 to 1.0 or 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight is a good baseline. For more active adults, those who are older or in recovery phases, those who maybe do a lot of lifting, they might benefit from ranges that are closer to 1.2 or 1.5, even up to 2 grams per kilogram, depending on their health status and their goals. But it's not just the amount, the distribution throughout the day also matters. Rather than concentrating the protein at dinner, spreading it across the meal, so for example, including a meaningful protein source at breakfast, lunch, and dinner, that can support muscle protein synthesis and also appetite regulation. So ready to personalize this information for yourself? Schedule a one-on-one appointment with a JTA dietitian by scanning the QR code on the screen or at the end of this video. We're in network with most major insurances, and coverage is typically 100% with zero copay, so stretch those premium dollars. Subscribe to our channel to continue growing in your nutrition knowledge with us, and like this video if you learned something new today.